Yo, what is up everyone, Stefan here from TechRight, and today we're going to be taking a look at the ZTE Blade ZMAX, and we're going to see if it is still worth it in 2018. Stay tuned. Starting off, we still have this big beautiful 6-inch display that comes in at 1080p, still an IPS display but actually looks pretty beautiful in my opinion. We also have an 8 megapixel camera right above that, as well as your headset. Now at the bottom we do have some capacitive touch buttons, which are very useful, as the middle one, or the home button, actually pulsates to notify you if you have any notifications. Right side of the phone, we do have our volume up and down rocker. Just below that we have our power button. Both are pretty tactile and clicky. Yes, on the left we do have a headphone jack, and in this day and age in 2018 it seems like it's going to be extinct pretty soon, so still nice to see that on the ZTE Blade ZMAX. In the middle we have a noise cancelling mic for voice calls. Now to the right of that we do have our favorite port, which is obviously the Type-C. As you guys know, your favorite port, my favorite port, pretty much everyone's favorite port, just because it is dual-sided. You can put it in any way. If you're in the dark, you guys know the deal. Now going all the way to the left side of the phone, we do have our micro SIM ejector right here. Now obviously you can put your micro SIM in here, but you can put a micro SD card in here as well, up to 128 gigabytes. Now you guys do know that 32 gigabytes are on board, so if you ever want to upgrade your storage, you guys can go ahead and upgrade all the way up to 128 gigabytes. Going to the back of the phone, as you guys see, we have that honeycomb pattern that everybody knows and loves. Feels absolutely nice in the hand and is just a great design all around, honestly. We also have that dual 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel phase detection camera. Also has autofocus with an LED flash to the right of it. We also have geotacking, touch focus, phase detection, HDR, panorama, and we can also shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second. We also have these 3 dope modes that actually utilize the dual cameras, which is bokeh, portrait, and monocolor. I'm going to show you a sample of bokeh because it is my absolute favorite. Pretty dope, right? You can even change the aperture even after taking the photo as well, as you see right here. Now taking a look inside the phone, people seem to love these bubbles that pop up with numbers next to their notifications. So if you have any text or phone calls, it will notify you how many you have, and the average user actually seems to love this, so hope they leave this on here in the next Blade ZMAX. Also, texting on the ZTE Blade ZMAX seems to be different than any other phone. I do love the format, and I do love that we can use emojis, GIFs, emoticons, and it's in like a new type of style. I really can't explain it, but it is new and refreshing, and a lot of people seem to love it. Now as far as gaming goes, we do have the Adreno 505 processor as well as an octa-core processor in here, clocked in at 1.4 gigahertz, and we do have Snapdragon 435, so any gaming on here, you know, should run pretty well. Also opening applications, having them in tabs, and running certain things, you shouldn't experience a ton of slowdown on this device, as it is pretty decent for me so far. On to media consumption, there's nothing I can really say about this device that doesn't bring, you know, good stuff to the table. 1080p panel, videos on here look very nice, colors actually look pretty good as well, and the huge screen offers so much screen real estate to watch your favorite Netflix shows, movies, or YouTube videos. Now really the only downside to this phone that I've seen so far is that we haven't received the 8.0 update. We do have 7.1.1 nougat, with the exception of a February 5th 2018 security patch for the phone. And if you guys are still waiting for the 8.0 update, I'm pretty sure it's not going to come. The only reason why I'm saying that is because I think we will be receiving the ZTE Blade ZMAX 2 this summer, you know, in June, July, or August, probably in between there. But yes, I'm pretty sure we are going to be seeing that device pretty soon, and yeah. So for the conclusion of the video, should you still get the ZTE Blade ZMAX in 2018? My answer, yes and no. If you guys really need a phone right now and your price point is straight on the 120 or below mark, I would definitely go ahead and get the ZTE Blade ZMAX. But if you can wait and you have something like the J7 or the J3 and you're looking to upgrade in the future, then I would definitely wait a few months for the ZTE Blade ZMAX 2 or the new ZTE device that's going to be coming to the table. Pretty sure it's going to have that 18:9 aspect ratio, hopefully Type-C and 3GB of RAM, but we can only hope. So yeah, if you guys don't really need an upgrade super bad and are not looking to buy a phone right now, then I would definitely wait till the summer and pick up the new ZTE device that's about to come out. But yeah, if you guys are a part of the ZTE crew, then definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not subscribed to the TechRight channel already. We recently hit 13,000 subs, so I'm very thankful for you guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. This has been TechRight. Peace out.